Hi, my name is Maryann DiEdwardo. Today I'm reading a chapter of my book, Spatializing Social Justice, Literary Critiques, published in 2019. This chapter is about Zora Neale Hurston. The Space of Haiti. Poetic praxis, sound, space, and language. Through the study of novels, short stories, essays, and folklore of Zora Neale Hurston, we intend to design a chapter that relates Hurston's writing to poetic praxis. We decipher signs in the literary text as a symbolic manipulation of the reader by the writer. The signs of space and language as symbolic and allegorical patterns act as contextual frameworks. We synthesize the canon of Zora Neale Hurston as signification of post-humanity. Hurston reaches our hearts and minds with her writing. Her language creates space for us to be our authentic selves. She has two voices, her spiritual self and her ethnographic self. Zora Neale Hurston's novel is a work of poetic praxis. Their eyes were watching God. The central purpose of this study concentrates on her use of space, language, and Haitian folklore. Digital Humanities, the Hurston Archive, forms the basis of my essential argument. One of my essays is in the archive. It is about Black Death. The short stories of Zora Neale Hurston break down interior, interpersonal borders. Psychological space is the result. By the concentrated study of sets of her short stories that contain meaningful themes, characters, and human emotions, readers can significantly conquer self-doubt and break down self-imposed borders. Through reading, analyzing, discussing, and eventually writing short stories, creative writers develop self-understanding. The most important part of the short story as a literary powerhouse remains that reading and writing, the genre, can elicit personal transformation. We write a few pages of text that reveal understanding of the self. Through interpretation, we learn. Certainly, the short story as a genre transforms by centering a story upon the self-discovery of the writer to promote change. So, hundreds of writers and artists lived in Harlem in the 1920s and 30s and were part of a vibrant creative community that found its voice in what came to be called the Harlem Renaissance. Thank you.